this Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a lovely 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine. Comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package, the camper package, as well as the 360-degree camera package. We will see a lot of these chrome accents along this vehicle, which adds a nice pop to the black coloring. Side bed steps, mud flaps on the rear and front. We do have rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver with your backup camera. Got that nice 8-foot box with a tailgate step, bed camera as well, gripped running boards on either side with side view cameras, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, 6 additional seats just right there, USB-C's 12-volt and cup holders with a lovely split-folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat as well as a manual part as well. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, parking brake pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer saying at 7.7 kilometers. We do get those nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control, digital speedometer. We do get your vehicle settings in here as well, such as trip 1, fuel economy, measurements, comm screen, or you can set it up however you please. To my right, we got cup holders, nice little phone slot with storage right here, 6 additional seat with the headrest, storage below as well. It is lockable, which is pretty nice. Storage here, USB-C's, USB, 12-volt here, 120-volt with rear locking diff, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake with your climate controls right here, heated door mirrors, hazards, traction, 360 view of the vehicle, got storage above, below, on the dash with 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. Engine brake, hill assist, audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED96714, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.